Hey, this is Rudy, and a lot of people often ask me, what does it look like at your job site? And sometimes when I get lost at doing things every day, I kind of forget how much fun it is. So what I wanted to show you today is a day in the life kind of what my job looks like at a job site when a roof is getting built. So follow me. So at times people ask, what does it look like at a job site? And if you scan and look behind me, it kind of looks like a mess. And that's the way I explain it to everybody. We're taking off about 2 tons of material off your roof every time we do a roof. And we have 2 tons on the ground that need to go back up. And all that material has to end somewhere. So we have to go dump midway through our job site, and that's why it kind of looks like this right now. But at the end, which you'll see, it's gonna look super clean. Not one nail left on the ground, not one piece of paper. We try to be as efficient as possible. One of the other questions I often get is, hey, what does your crew do all day instead of just building a roof? Because they have to take a break. Well, today it's only 83 degrees, but they find shade, they take breaks, and they eat lunch. So that is part of it. The next thing I want to show you is kind of a roof almost not done. So what you'll see behind me is it's a 2-story, really elevated roof. The pitch is really high, and so this underlayment we have is called Gorilla Guard. It's an upgraded one, especially for these type of roofs. So it avoids moisture, keeps the temperature down inside the attic, and it actually helps our crews grip better. This is like a rubber material, so their shoes won't slip. Helps them out a lot. And then the next layer you see is the shingles are actually going up. This is a tan mist color for Atlas. It's a unique color. This customer is actually going from black to a brown color. It's gonna look really good on his house because he has white and his rock is brown and beige also. I wanna show you one more thing in this house that is pretty unique that not many people know that we do and what we offer. So follow me. So here we are, we're in the backyard. One of the most important things that this customer said when I walked to their door and we were talking about the beginning process was, what are you gonna do about my swimming pool? I don't want any asphalt to reach inside of it. I don't want it to get stuck in my filters. So I told him we would cover it. There was some doubt because not any other roofing company that he had estimates from actually mentioned they would cover it. All of them said, well, it's okay if some gets in there. We covered it with a very large tarp. This tarp took us about, believe it or not, about 20 to 30 minutes to lay out, put out, and you can see we laid rocks all around it. His pool is completely covered. And we want to make sure that your pool, if you choose us to do your roof, is completely covered. The very important aspect of building the process is making sure that your personal property is kept clean and kept safe. And that's one of our top priorities when we're in the building process. I hope you've understand what it looks like on a job site for Rudy sometimes.